So they had time to process it and send me the invoice prior to it expiring. But sometimes what they'll do is, in order to not pay you in the beginning or as soon as that month invoice comes in, they'll wait and say that your insurance is about to expire. So this time that wasn't the case, and it wasn't needed because they said, well, we just received it. Well, what they received was me sending them a copy of the updated COI, which apparently they didn't receive prior, which isn't a big deal. But what I'll say is this: have these systems in place so that things are automatically done, but always have a checks and balances to make sure that even though it was supposed to be sent by the cleaning or by the insurance company, you verify, you follow up, you confirm to make sure that that was received so that there's no delay in your payment.